Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to share this before we actually left for Red Deer, so I just wanted to get it filmed. Sorry for the background noise. It's Saturday. My whole family is here, and I'm filming in the middle of my living room. So there. So that's what happens when you work from home. So I wanted to share my pink lemonade kit with Planners Anonymous. And I'm excited. This came in yesterday, so I was super excited to share it with you. And I did unpackage everything just to make it life easier, because if I keep everything in the package, you hear a lot of crinkling or I have to do a lot of editing. So here we go. So I'm going to start with the washi. I'd like to roll this out because sometimes it's actually hard to see it when it's on the roll. I'm just going to roll this one out because this one you can kind of tell it's like, you know, pink lemonade. It's got limes and lemons and pink juice. Oh, look, it looks so pretty. It says out to lunch. It does have beautiful gold foil, and in this kit, Sammy had said that it was a dual foil kit. It's like one of the first ones. I thought she meant she had gold and silver on the stickers. There's only silver foil on the stickers, and then the washi tape is gold. So that's kind of how she fit that in. I was curious about that. So that one's adorable. And then you have the little lion one, like the little 5mm. And then this one is, I don't really know what that is, but it's just a decorative one, right? So you've got your oranges, yellows, pinks, and I guess the gold is meant to be green. I don't know. And then this one, this is also really pretty. Okay, so that's it for the washi. You have your yellow pen. Again, I'm not a fan of these pens. Not even the fact that they're black ballpoint ink, but that I find it difficult to hold on to them. My fingers slip down the grip a little bit. So I usually just give mine away. I know other people love to collect them, but I don't hold on to things anymore. I used to, not anymore. Okay, this is adorable. This is a little sticky pocket, an adhesive pocket, and it has squeeze the day with a little picture on here. Sammy had tried to do the whole entire pocket as the shape of the picture, but her manufacturer wouldn't allow that. But I mean, the idea behind it was adorable. And then you get these tiny little sticky notes to put in the pocket to make it look like it's full of like little lemons. So that's adorable. The stamp kit, again, I think it was Liz that we were talking about. She was interested in purchasing my stamps. I do not see myself becoming a stamper in the future or anytime soon. So I'm still thinking about selling them. So Liz, if you are still interested, let me know. I think it was Liz. I apologize if it wasn't. But yeah, I mean, they're beautiful. They are gorgeous, but I have them sitting in a little pouch, and honestly, I don't have any clue what I would do with them. So I'll probably just sell them. So, all right. Then I've got the 2 regular sheets of stickers. These do not have foil on them, but they come with the main kit. So if you just get the kit itself without the additional stickers or anything, this is what you would get. I love the colors of this kit. I really do. Okay, I guess we'll do the art card and the die cuts here. I like these art cards too. I usually put them in my planner. Switch them out every month or so. Okay, so this one says, when life gives you lemons, make pink lemonade. The art on here is beautiful. And her name is Summer. This is the girl this time. Okay, and as for the die cuts, these are also quite beautiful. Like, you've got really big ones, and then you've got lots of tiny ones. So lots of room here for like tiny little lemon and lime slice. You have this big one here. It's one of the big ones. You've got the main girl, and you've got the lemonade stand. So this is adorable. You could always do something like that. And then just lots of little bits and pieces here. But with these ones, so remember, they're called die cuts, but they actually have an adhesive backing, so you can use them as a sticker. The reason why most people wouldn't use them as a sticker every day in their planner is because they're cardstock, like they're really thick sticker. So it would really bulk up your planner. So usually people use them on dashboards. They'll make like a little tiny dashboard and decorate it with those. That's what I would do. So we'll share the sticker books last. I'm going to show you the papers first. I believe these are the standard papers I put on top. So this is the acetate. So cool. I think I have it upside down. Lots of just different, like pink lemonade, sweet as Oh, juicy, sweet as lemonade, don't be salty. It's kind of cute. Okay, and then the vellum. This vellum is exactly the same as, is it this paper here? I think so. This is the right side though. Okay, and actually this looks quite cute layered over with the vellum. So I'd probably put that in my planner. All right, and then you always get 2 sheets of each regular paper. So these ones have bright yellow on the back, 2 sheets of this one. And then maybe that was just the additional one. I'm not too sure. I'm confused. I like this one as well. This one's really cute. I love these for summer. Okay, and this one I forgot to show has the pink on the back. And then last you get this one. This is like the different crates and stuff. And this one has this beige color on the back. Okay, and then for this second part of the kit, I think this is the additional. Now I opened them up, so I'm not quite sure. I think it is. So another sheet of vellum, an acetate. Here's the vellum. Here's the vellum. Here's the acetate. This is one of the papers, and this one has green on the back. Okay. And then this one with a whole bunch of lemons against like this. It looks like a fence, basically. This one has this like, actually I love this color of pink. This reminds me of my pink Anna, my Franklin Covey planner. And then the last one is just these pictures of lemonade with all of these lemons and lime, well not limes, I guess just lemons in there with a bright yellow background. Okay, so that's it for the paper packs. And then for the stickers, I always say these for last because they're so beautiful. So the first page, and like I said, they have silver foil on them. This is a journaling. Oh no, they finally cut this out. This was never cut out before, but they finally did. That's interesting. Okay. These are so cute. I love the pink one. I always wish I could get more of these. And then this one on the side, you have to cut it out yourself. Okay, and then the second page also has foil. I like these ones. They're separate stickers. Little, I'm not sure what you call those, crates or something. Those are adorable. I love this one too. It's like the whole picture of lemonade. Oh, like the lemonade stand dispenser. I wish there was more of this ripped paper. Like that's beautiful too. Okay, and then this one is, I think these are on clear. Let's see. Yeah, they're on clear backing. So you've got the pretty dresses. Like they just look so vibrant. I love these colors together. Okay, you've got minis also in clear paper. And then the only thing that I wanted to mention, and I think I noticed this in the last kit too. So before in all of the kits, and I did look through all of them, it would be like foil, not foil, foil, not foil. And this one only has the first page with foil on it. So I just wanted to point that out. So these are full box stickers here. I love the background of this one. I love that so much. They're so pretty. But these are your weekly kits. Okay, and then the second weekly one, I also like this print here. It's kind of got like hints of almost like purple in there. Okay, then there's this one, mostly yellow and green. And then this one, pink and yellow. Love that one too. Okay, and then again, this is on clear paper. So you've got your big decorative element here and your little dots. I love those colors. And then this is on white paper, which is interesting. So these are your washi strips. And then your fold out planner, little lemons here. And then your functional boxes. So these help to extend out the weekly kit. So you can use these to add to your appointments in your planner. And then the last page, which is the silver foil. So this is just tons of words and stuff. This week, next week, noted, focus, important to remember, etc. Self-care, your date dots. And then these say day off, do it, note, work, love. Yeah, it's interesting. Anyway, so that's it. And I always get 2 of them. So I have the pack, the main pack, along with the additional sticker kits, the 2, and the additional paper pack. So I get the top tier. And it's actually quite reasonably priced because, especially for anyone purchasing in the States, because the US dollar is so strong right now and the Australian dollar is even weaker than the Canadian dollar. So you guys kind of get a steal of a deal that way. So anyway, I just wanted to share this because like these colors are absolutely beautiful. If they had released the new melody that they made in this one instead of Coastal, I would have purchased it, like hands down, because these, like, they're beautiful, so beautiful. These colors just, summer vibes to me, right? So again, I apologize for the bird making all this noise in the background. It's a little rescue bird we found in our backyard. He was a little budgie, and he's now become a pet, I guess. Never would have gone out and purchased a bird because birds just never have been our thing, but now he's here, and I guess he's here to stay until live out the rest of his little life. So anyway, sorry about that. Usually I cover him, but I took off his cover to give him some, you know, so he could see people and stuff and talk to us, because we're heading to Red Deer. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe, click on that bell button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.